Hey everyone, join us today for some fun cruise news. Come check it out. Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Thank you so much for coming to check this video out. This is the third time I'm recording this because I keep messing up the audio. Anyway, here we are in Orlando. We are doing some fun, positive cruise news. We do this every Sunday. If you're new to the channel, thanks for coming to check us out. Let's get into the cruise news. So Icon of the Seas has opened up bookings through 2026. Why? Because they keep selling out. It's unbelievable. People keep booking it. It keeps getting more expensive. And here we are. So if you are interested in going on Icon of the Seas, get in now. Call your travel agent. Book that cruise. Make sure you get in. We will be on it in March of 2024. But you can book it all the way out till 2026. It's going to be expensive. We just tried to book Wonder for 2025, and that is still expensive. And then you're going to have Icon and Utopia as well. It is crazy, but cruising is back, and it is great. Next up in our cruise news, Carnival right now on Celebration and Mardi Gras is doing Family Feud Live. It's going so well that they are expanding it out to 10 more ships, including Carnival Jubilee, which will be coming out in just a few months. We will be on Jubilee in January. Can't wait to see it. It's got to be a hilarious show. I love the Family Feud with Steve Harvey. It's snarky and fantastic, and I love it. Next up, Royal Caribbean on Perfect Day is opening up Hideaway Beach. This is going to be the adults only area, which is going to be all the way in the back right side of the island. It's not quite done yet. It's going to be open in January of 2024. Some pools, a DJ, whole bunch of fun things to do back there, but only for adults. Remember, there is no additional cost for this, thank God. Not like Cocoa Beach Club or anything like that. It is just a part of the island that is going to be exclusive to adults only, which is awesome. I can't wait to check that out. Fun cruise port story, Rockland, Maine. You know, most local cruise ports in like America are really trying to cut down on the amount of tourism and passengers that are coming through, especially up in Maine. Bar Harbor up there does not enjoy having a ton of cruisers. Rockland, Maine, however, wants more cruisers. So they are now expanding and allowing one 3,000 passenger ship a week to come up and check it out and enjoy the tourism. So that's really exciting to have yet another stop up in Maine. Can't wait to go check that out. Next cruise news story, Dominican Republic has a new cruise terminal opening. It is called Puerto Cabo Rojo. It is going to have the first ship be a Royal Caribbean ship, about 3,000 passengers. It's a brand new port. They're going to check it out, but it's super exciting that Dominican is experiencing this big renaissance in travel and tourism, and they have yet another cruise port that's coming in. That's great. Next cruise news story is Disney, their new private island in the Bahamas called Lookout Key or Cay. It's at Lighthouse Point. It was first announced all the way back in 2019. It is now going to be realized. It is opening June of 2024. It's at the end of Eleuthera. If you've been to Eleuthera, it is beautiful there. It's going to be 90% solar. That's awesome. And they're really going to focus on the island's beauty. So not so much Perfect Day, but more of like a beautiful island, probably more similar to Labadee or their current Castaway Key down there in the Bahamas. That again is going to open in June of 24. And last but not least, Disney Treasure was announced this week. It looks incredible. It's going to be expensive. But Disney has all the creativity, all the minds, and the money to create an amazing movie and a cruise ship. So if you've ever watched any cruise ship reveals, it's usually like a webinar, some PowerPoint, some renderings. Not Disney. They did a whole little movie about it. It really does look like it's going to be a lot of fun. There's a jungle cruise lounge. It looks amazing. Go check it out. I think you will love it if you love Disney. It's for you. I'm here in Disney right now, as you can see. If you love cruising, we would love you to subscribe to our channel. Come check it out. We're going to be on Mariner of the Seas all week. We're going to have vlogs, dining reviews, the whole 9 yards. And this week, we'll have some Disney reviews of the All-Star Sports Hotel, which I'm in right now, and Hollywood Studios, Galaxy's Edge, the whole 9 yards. Come check it out. Everyone, thank you so much. We will see y'all tomorrow.